You're welcome once again to another video. Now, this is the Commonwealth Share Scholarship. Okay, now this is one of the biggest and the full funded scholarship that you can get if only you want to study in the United Kingdom. Okay, so let's take you through how the benefit that you are going to enjoy from this scholarship if you apply. So, with the financial assistance, the first one, approve FA from the school home country to the UK and return at the end of the award. So your FA is just going to be catered for, and then two, approved tuition fee. So full fees are covered. Okay, so you're also going to get a monthly stipend of £1,347 per month, or 1,652 per month. Okay, and then warm clothes allowance, thesis grant towards the cost of comparing the thesis, study travel grants, contribution towards the cost of mandatory tuberculosis tests. If a scholar has children and is a widow or divorced or a single parent, child allowance or child allowance of 550 £576.61 month for the first child, okay, and 143 per month for the second child, and it keeps on going. So this is one of the best full funded scholarship that you can get. This is the Commonwealth shared scholarship. So how are you going to apply for this scholarship country? So let me show you the eligible countries that are eligible for this country. So if you check here, we have Bangladesh, Brazil, Botswana, Cameroon. There are a lot of African countries here. We have Gabon, Ghana is here. So Kenya is also here. You have a lot of Pakistan and a lot of countries. So you just have to look through the eligibility country, and if you find your country in, then you're good to apply for this scholarship. So let me look at the applicant eligibility. Okay, so with the applicant eligibility, are available to start academic studies in UK by the start of academic year September 2024. By September 2024, hold a first degree of at least upper second class, okay, not have studied or worked for more than 1 year. So all these are some of the eligibility for the applicant. So let me show you how to apply for this scholarship. So application for Commonwealth Share Scholarship for 2024-25 academic year are now open. So it is now open. The deadline for submitting an application is, that is 16 GMT on Thursday, 14 December 2023. So the deadline is 14 December. Then the scholarship are for study in UK beginning in September, October 2024. So application to the CSC must be made using this online. So just click on this link here to start your application. Okay, then they also have approved courses. Not all courses are eligible for their scholarship, so you just scroll to check all the courses here, and then you choose your course and you start your application. Thank you for watching this video.